Hello YouTube, and welcome back. So this is a quick video unboxing my this is my first firearm purchase, and this is Smith&Wesson M&P 2.0 chambered in 9mm and optics ready. Quick story is when I decided to buy the firearm, I went for training, and my first gun I was shooting was Glock 17 full size, and I was on the market for, was researching for a couple of weeks, and there was 3 guns on my list. It was Glock, and then PDP, Walter PDP, full size, and NCZ PO7 or maybe PO9. And when I went in local, store, in local shop, and so I saw this one and I really loved it. And I love the brand, and it's a beautiful handgun, and decided to share it with you guys. Again, I decided to go with full size, since I'm not, this is not for concealed carry. I'm basically for home defense and going to shooting range, practicing target shooting, stuff like this, maybe going once a week. And so let's open it and let's see. So, and I did open it before. I just wanted to show you what the box comes with. Okay, this is manual, Smith&Wesson manual. Okay, it's pretty nice actually, pretty clear illustrations, and all the maintenance, which is, I think it's important to clean the gun. So, okay, this is registration. Okay, ATF. Okay, different instructions, and I encourage you guys to, read the manual always. It's kind of important to maintain the gun and gun safety. So let's see. Okay. Here's a gun. This is how to remove. It was, it came with a trigger lock, and I just removed it, just speeded up the video. So, and there's orange lock, like a barrel lock. And let's make sure it's safe. Here it's safe. Okay. Okay, so we have, this lock. I don't know if people ever using it. Not so sure. I have a different lock I'll show you later, guys, because unfortunately this doesn't come with a case, with a plastic case. Most of like Beretta and CZ, Walter come with a plastic case. I purchased it separately. I'll show it to you. So this is the lock, and it comes with, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 with the grips. 1, 2, 3, 4 different grips. Okay, and that's a trigger lock. Okay, which is nice. And let's see, and it comes with one more magazine. So there's comes with 2 17-round magazines. So. And like I said, this is 4.25 full size. The barrel length 4.25. One thing I must say that I actually, because I did shoot this one a couple times, probably like 300-400 rounds. If I would buy it again, I probably would go 4.5. It's slightly 1/4 inch longer, but that's fine. And this one also has like a thumb safety here. So, I don't know, some people complain about something. I know a lot of people don't like thumb safety. To me, honestly, this is not an issue. If you just don't like it, you just never use it again. So it would be just like a regular gun. But for me, it's fine. Anyway. Yeah, it's pretty nice and simple. These 3 grips, they provided in different size if you have like a larger hand. In fact, this one I have, it's just perfect for my hand, and you know, I'm probably gonna leave it the way it is. It's pretty kind of aggressive grips here. It's not gonna slip, which is nice, and it fits just perfect. I really love it, you know. So the trigger, I'm not like, again, I'm not a pro, but I would say it's you know, to me it's pretty nice. It has like a wall here. There's you know, it's just, you can feel it when it hit the wall, you know, and it's pretty nice. You know, I cannot compare to anything else, since this is my pretty much first gun I own. So the only Glock 17 which was pretty nice too, but I didn't like the design, the minimalistic design much. This one I like a lot more. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna, you know, go to the range and use it as much as I can. So the ammunition, 9mm, is not terribly expensive. It's still not cheap, but you could go and shoot maybe 200, 250 rounds in, you know, in half an hour, like I did. The only additional thing I bought is the case, and I'm gonna show it to you. Let's put this box away. So I wanted to have a case, and this is Smith&Wesson. It usually comes with the more expensive models with, you know, performance center guns, and I got it off eBay, and let me show it to you. So this is it. This is what you have here, and it's kind of a pretty nice. Now I can, when I go on the range, I simply put this like this, and it has a hole for the lock, so it's pretty nice. And now I can just take it to the gun range, and later I'll show you guys all my setup. I got nice kind of a military style duffel bag, and it's great. I mean, it's actually perfect, because I've got another case from Amazon. It was a little too small, way too tight for probably smaller compact gun. And in the future, when I, you know, be a little more in the future proficient, I probably will upgrade to concealed carry, because I need to get a license in my state. And you know, right now it's not as important as just trying to get to know more this particular pistol and be comfortable with that. And it's great. It's beautiful. It's pretty nicely engraved here, like laser engraved, Smith&Wesson logos. It's got a Picatinny rail, 19mm. Sorry, 19mm. It's a 1913 size, kind of a standard Picatinny rail. I did order the Fiachi, one of the kind of more affordable lights. It's Fiachi HL20, so I can mount on this Picatinny rail. I'm probably going to be my next video, so about accessories, and I'll show you guys later. But it's pretty nice. It's pretty beautiful, simple design. I don't have any complaints, except there's only a few things. I wish this is actually the trigger is actually plastic. It has a safety trigger here as well, but this is kind of the plastic. It's not a metal. I just wish it would be like metal. You probably could upgrade later. And so otherwise it's pretty nice. So then, like I said, I don't mind the safety. To take down, it's pretty quick and pretty easy. So there's millions of YouTube video how to take it down, and if you want to clean it. Speaking of cleaning, so I purchased this one. This is also M&P, and I purchased this online. This cleaning kit comes with more expensive pistols. Is like a performance center, and this is good enough for me. So this is all just basic. I think this is for different calibers. You have 22 9mm and 380 and 45, and this is all you need. Those cleaning pads and stuff like basic stuff like oil. I mean, this is pretty cheap. So I think this one $25 on maybe $27 on Amazon. It's also Smith&Wesson M&P. So yeah, this is pretty much the whole setup. So let me know what you guys think. If have any questions. Like I said, it's pretty. I mean, it's not super heavy. I think it's 28 ounces. Maybe 30 ounces when it's like loaded. Again, this is 17 rounds, and depends on your state. Some states only limited to 10 rounds, and and a pretty nice gun. Again, I think aesthetics are pretty beautiful. So let me maybe show you from different angles. Okay, let me show you from this angle. Yeah, it also would be nice if this one is like a gray. I don't know what you call this part, which is pushing the rounds. Most of the guns is kind of a brighter, like a yellow or like orange. So, but that's fine. You can see the better. There is a little port. You can see the port, which you can see if it's loaded or not, which is useful. I think you can check it out, without moving the slide. Also, the sights are pretty nice. I do like the sights. I should mention that this is white dot sights. They're pretty good. I don't have the greatest vision, but I think it's excellent. One thing though, I did do some research. It's hard to upgrade the sights. Kind of a pain in the neck if you want to put like fiber optics. That's why Glocks or CZs are much more better, because there's so many cheap parts and easy to replace, particularly like people's sights. So as far as optics, I know it's optics ready, but it'll take me a while. I need to do some research, and some people don't like optics. I honestly, probably once I get better, I can try to put some Holosun or whatever. There's a tons of brands, but at the moment I don't want to spend like $300. It's something I don't even know if I'm going to be using it. But this is optics ready, which is great. So this is it.